Hey guys, in this video we are going to be checking out the best blood pressure monitors. Through extensive research and testing we've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers. We have included options for every type of user, so whether you are looking for a best budget, like the video, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started with the video. Number 1. MMIZOO Large LCD Blood Pressure Monitor. A wrist monitor may be a better option for those with certain mobility issues, sensitivities, or excessive weight. The MMIZOO wrist blood pressure monitor is a great choice if you're looking to go that route, and many people find it a more comfortable experience. It has an adjustable wrist cuff that accommodates 5, 31, 7, 68-inch wrists. The MMIZOO wrist blood pressure monitor stores up to 99 measurements for 2 different users and assigns a time and date stamp for each stored measurement, making it a good model for those looking to track their blood pressure over time. This blood pressure monitor is simple to use, just a single button to press to assess your blood pressure and heart rate, and it has irregular heartbeat detection, which means it triggers an alert if it detects an irregularity in your heart rhythm. Besides having a large LCD screen, the MMIZOO wrist blood pressure monitor also has a voice broadcast feature that you can turn on or off to read out your results. This monitor also hedges the somewhat reduced accuracy issue of most wrist monitors by taking the average of the last 3 measurements and using that value as your reported blood pressure. Number 2. Greater Goods Blood Pressure Monitor. The Greater Goods BP monitor is accurate, versatile, and easy to use. We especially like its large, backlit display that's easier to read than the screens on most other blood pressure monitors. The only real downside is low memory storage compared to other monitors on the market, but if that doesn't bother you, this blood pressure cuff is a great value. The large LCD screen makes this home blood pressure monitor incredibly user-friendly. The numbers and buttons are big, so you won't need glasses to see your results. Most online customers rave about this monitor's accuracy, so you can trust that the results will greatly assist your doctor in managing your blood pressure. It has a comfortable cuff that's easy to put on and fits on most arm sizes, 8, 75, 16, 5 inches. This blood pressure machine also comes with a handy carrying bag that holds the monitor and its accessories. There's not much memory storage, so you won't be able to keep an in-depth log. This Greater Goods blood pressure monitor holds no more than 60 records each for 2 users. Still, we think this is the best blood pressure monitor for most folks. Pros: large, bright display, high accuracy, comes with a carrying case, compact design. Cons: average storage capacity for readings. Number 3. Alcedo Upper Arm Blood Pressure Monitor. The Alcedo Upper Arm Monitor performed very well in our accuracy tests and is one of 2 monitors we tested that has a talking function. The voice helps guide you through the measurement process and lets you know if your reading is normal or elevated based on World Health Organization standards. This feature is helpful for anyone but imperative for the visually impaired. You can mute the voice if you don't enjoy it. The cuff is comfortable, clearly marks the point to align with your artery, and is curved to conform to your arm. This monitor is user-friendly, and we love the price tag. The Alcedo stores 120 blood pressure measurements for each of 2 users. That pales in comparison to the monitors that have associated apps to send an unlimited number of readings. Still, it may be plenty of storage for you. A bigger concern is that you can accidentally erase all of your data by pressing the memory button in the M4 too long. We prefer models that have a dedicated button for that purpose. Despite these setbacks, this unit is affordable and works well, making it an excellent option for many and the best in the test for the visually impaired. Pros: talks you through process and results. Good accuracy test results. 120 blood pressure measurements. Reasonably priced. Cons: a bit complicated to switch between users. Number 4. Withings Digital Wi-Fi Smart Blood Pressure Monitor. The Withings BPM Connect is a compact blood pressure monitor that connects to your smartphone with an excellent mobile app. The Withings app is easy to use and presents information in an easy-to-understand way. The Withings BPM Connect is also an attractive device that looks more like a small Bluetooth speaker than a blood pressure meter. There's a rechargeable battery that lasts up to 6 months on a charge, which goes perfectly with the small size to make this BP monitor ideal for trips or even just carrying around in a bag during errands. The device has both Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connections to sync your readings. The Wi-Fi is especially helpful because the BPM Connect automatically stores your readings online. This convenient feature streamlines the way you track your blood pressure level and simplifies sharing results with your doctor. Despite its relatively high price compared to other BP monitors, we think the Withings BPM Connect is a great portable option for people that love smart tech. Pros: compact design, excellent mobile app, unlimited cloud storage for your readings. Cons, only holds 8 readings on device. Number 5, Omron Gold Wireless Wrist Blood Pressure Monitor. If you're shopping for a wrist blood pressure cuff, the Omron Gold Wireless is a good place to start looking. This automatic blood pressure monitor cuff has all the essential features you'd find in an upper arm blood pressure cuff, but this Omron blood pressure monitor is also portable. The wrist monitor averages a series of up to 3 readings taken over a 10-minute period and will immediately alert you if you have high blood pressure. The wearable blood pressure device can store up to 200 readings from multiple users or wirelessly transmit results via Bluetooth to the Omron Connect free app, which you can use to track your blood pressure trends over time. You can see this wrist cuff monitor is packed with features, but it's also tiny, quiet, and comfortable, and out of all the blood pressure cuffs I tested, the Omron Gold was one of the easiest to use. There's no fumbling with a lengthy cuff or tube when using a wrist-based blood pressure monitor. You have an injury or limited range of motion that makes using an arm cuff difficult. You travel often and need to take frequent readings. Wrist-based cuffs are typically more portable.
Alright guys, that's all for now. Please leave a like on the video. If you are new here, hit that subscribe button and enable your notification bell icon to get the latest videos of our channel. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most updated pricing on all the products mentioned in this video.